the hair? So messy.
Beautiful as always.
And clap. And Jawa and Squash, Lena Nicholson.
And Jawa, Nikita Eberle.
The nłeʔképmxcin Programs Department is running a language contest for the new year.
So there's two phrases that you could submit. You could say yciszenxв. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay.
Or you could say cheey-chee zel'p-szen-hw. As well, you can add
Your New Year's intention.
Do you have any New Year's intentions?
My intentions are to have more self-care this year and to eat healthy.
And my intention this year is to walk more to work and also get out on the land harvesting.
So when is the due date for this?
So we will be closing the contest next Friday at noon. So that's January 13th. Ooh, Friday the 13th.
If you want to submit your New Year's intentions with your recording of the sayings here, that would be awesome too. We would love to hear your New Year's resolutions.
Okay, cook chef.